Hi everyone, we're just going to take a look at the staff for Seesaw here, and I'm going to show you how to add the responses. So one is going to be rhythmic, and if you can see where my cursor is right here, we're going to put the rhythmic response right up here, or one possibility. And then for our melodic, which is our singing notes, we're going to need the 5 lines and 4 spaces. Okay, so what we do first is we come to the bottom of the screen. Here's a pencil. Here's a marker. I think this marker works really well, so I'm going to choose that. So I'm going to tap that. And on the side, you'll get to pick a color that you want. I think I want like a dark purple or something. Yeah, that's what I'll have. I'm going to come to the top and put my rhythmic response. The rhythm is something I speak. I don't sing it. Okay, I'm using do's and due days and rest. So if I'm going to make a do, I might just draw with my marker right here, color in the note head, and let's say we're going to put a stem on it. There, that's a do. Now let's say that I wanted to make a due day. So I'll just color in a note head, and I'll color in another one. Oh, that's not too beautiful, but you can make stems up or down. It doesn't really matter. And let's make a stem on this side, and we're going to connect them. A due day has a beam that connects them. Okay, and then let's say I just wanted one more do, let's say. So there we go. Doesn't matter if it's on a line or space, because we just speak them anyway. Okay, so let's say I wanted a stem going up. So now I have do, due day, do, and let's say I just wanted to make a rest. There. So you just make any kind of a squiggle and that'll make a rest. All right, so I made do, due day, do, rest. Okay, so let's say I wanted to change colors. If I wanted to, I'll make, let's make them in red. Okay, dark red. Let's say we're going to make a melodic pattern now. So I'm going to need do, which goes here. Re, which is going to go right on the line. And if you make a circle, that line will just be inside the circle. And here is where mi belongs. Mi is going to be the next space up. That will match your hand staff. Remember how we had do and re and mi? All right, so here is where a circle will go every time I want a do. Let's see, I'm going to make my melodic pattern. Let's draw a melodic pattern that goes do. Let's make a re after this. And so we try to get this line to go right in the middle, which it does pretty good. Re, and here is mi. There we go. So you can see that this is how we pick up a marker or change a color. You can add a stem, do, re. This one I wanted to say mi, but it kind of gets in the way, doesn't it, of those markers? You can put your stems up or down, it will not matter. Okay, so you can mix these up in an order that you prefer, but that is a tutorial on how to make the notes and the stems and choose a marker on the Seesaw slide. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a great day.